Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick and really useful trick in Figma, how to make a smooth, curved arrow. If you've ever tried to point out something important in a design, create a flow chart, or just wanted your presentations to look a little more dynamic, mastering this curved arrow technique will be super handy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a curved arrow in Figma, and you'll be using it in your own designs in no time. So let's jump right in. First up, open up your Figma project. If you're just starting fresh, you can create a new blank page, totally up to you. We're going to add an arrow to our canvas, and there's a really quick shortcut for this. Just hold down Shift and press L on your keyboard. That shortcut activates the line tool, and if you hold down Shift while drawing, you'll get a perfectly straight line. But Figma's got a little hidden bonus right after you add your line. Look up in the top menu for the arrowhead dropdown. Click it and select the style you want to turn your line into an arrow. Instantly, you've got the foundation for your curved arrow. Once you've dropped your arrow on the canvas, the next step is to double-click it. This is a small move, but it's super important. Double-clicking transforms your arrow from a simple line into an editable path. You'll notice something appear at the bottom of your arrow. It's Figma's secret weapon called the bend handle. And this is where the magic happens. Take a moment to spot the bend handle. It's usually a little blue dot sitting beneath the midpoint of your arrow. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Try double-clicking again, making sure you're selecting the line itself, not a grouped object or text. Sometimes Figma can be a bit particular about what's selected, so be patient as you get used to its quirks. Now with that bend handle visible, go ahead and click and drag it. Start slowly, and as you drag up or down, you'll see your straight arrow begin to curve, just like bending a piece of wire. You can make a gentle swoop, or if you keep dragging, push the curve even further for a dramatic, almost semicircular arrow. The beauty here is that you have full control. Experiment with how much curve fits your design. Maybe you just want a soft, guiding arc, or maybe you need a bold, looping pointer for emphasis. Don't stress if your curve isn't perfect right away. You can always adjust it by dragging the handle again or move the endpoints to reshape the arrow. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've turned a plain arrow into a neat, eye-catching curved arrow, perfect for any diagram, annotation, or design highlight. This little trick can instantly level up the clarity and flow of your visuals, making your ideas easier for others to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you run into any issues, or if you have other Figma questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.